Healthcare across the world is increasingly consuming the wealth of nations. Effective leadership and innovation is even more important now because the challenges are becoming particularly acute. This programme is unique because it brings together leading knowledge from the medical school and business school that I think really gives managers and clinicians what they need.
So this course brings about a genuinely interdisciplinary approach, drawing on ideas from clinical research, from implementation science and management theory.
The content of the modules is populated by live case studies, so live case studies from all across the world.
We've got a partnership with Monash University in Australia, but also many other networks across the world that we can use to create learning opportunities and case studies so people can get a really rich experience of how to develop their skills and capabilities.
Participants will be exposed to the latest thinking in artificial intelligence, for example, the effects of that, how it might be evaluated, how you might develop, implement and diffuse it more widely. But we also have other things that are important for strategic leadership and innovation, such as a concern with quality and patient safety. That's one of the modules, such as how to mobilise and translate knowledge from one setting to another. And we see the programme as allowing best practice to move from one country to another. This course is entirely online, so they can dip in and out of it as suits their busy work schedules and their family lives, of course. We have a MyWBS platform at Warwick Business School that we've developed as we've developed a distance learning MBA. It allows for live streaming of lectures, for example. It allows for participants on a programme to engage with tutors in real time and other participants. We obviously post material on there, live case studies, etc. It's very interactive, which I think is important to engage them, to motivate them to study. The translation of learning from the classroom, the distance learning programme, back to the workplace is a very important component of this programme. So what we ask participants to do is to bring a live innovation project that they work through as they go through the programme. So as well as a qualification at the end of this programme, there should be something implemented back at the workplace for the participants that's a benefit to their employer. So this programme is going to result in hundreds, if not thousands, of innovations across healthcare systems globally.